Hello everyone, I'm Bill, and today we will solve the 7th question of the Caribou Summer Coding Contest, Junior Contest. It is called Trailing Zeros. To find out how many zeros are at the end of the factorial of an integer n, we need to use some mathematical knowledge. So n factorial can be represented as the equation above. In the calculation of n factorial, the number of factor 2 is always greater than the number of factor 5. So the number of trailing zeros is actually determined by the number of factor 5. So in order to calculate the number of 5s in n, first, each multiple of 5 contributes at least one 5 as a factor. Each multiple of 25 contributes an additional 5 since 25 is just 5 squared. And then each multiple of 125 contributes yet another 5, and so on, so on. And then we just add it all at the end, and that is the result. So now let's solve it in Python. So first, n is going to be the input. So count equals 0, and then while n is larger than or equals to 5, we just make n equals n divided by 5. When you put two division signs, it just means divide and then automatically delete the remainder. And then count equals count plus n. So we just add the number of multiples of 5 smaller than n. And then every round afterwards, you just add the ones of 25, and then 125, and then 625, and so on and so on. So at the end, all we have to do is print count. So now let's test it out. Let's use the example given. As you can see, it is correct. This is all for today. See you next time.